Did David ever tease you?
Oh, yes, they all did. Berti. Father encouraged it. Said, "Get it out, boy." Said it would make me stop. He said I was afraid of my father, and my children are damn well going to be afraid of me.
Are you naturally right-handed?
Left. I was punished, and now I use the right.
Yes, that's very common with stammerers. Any other corrections?
Knock knees. Metal splints for me. One day and night.
Must have been painful.
Bloody agony. Straight legs now.
Who were you closest to in your family?
Nannies. Not my first nanny. She loved David. Hated me. When we were presented to my parents for the daily viewing, she pinched me so I'd cry and be handed back to her immediately. And then she would
Sing it.
Then she wouldn't feed me far, far away. Took my parents 3 years to notice. As you can imagine, caused some stomach problems. Still.
What about your brother, Johnny? Were you close to him?
Johnny. He's a sweet boy. And epilepsy. And he's different. He died at 13, hidden from view. I'm told it's not catching.
Do you want to top up?
Please. No. Lionel, you're the first ordinary Englishman,
Australian.
I've ever really spoken to. When I'm driven through the streets and I see the common man staring at me, I'm struck by how little I know of his life and how little he knows of mine. Thank you.
What are friends for?
I wouldn't know.
Let's talk about Grammarly. Anytime you type or text, Grammarly provides quality suggestions to help make your writing clear and